What's up, beautiful people? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good midnight, wherever you are on earth, wherever you're listening to me. I'm here again. I believe this will be my video for the night, in the morning. By God's grace, I'm gonna do some other video at least. This is my video. This will be the last video for this very night. You get it. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna show the result of the things. Tomorrow I'm gonna show the result of the trades that I've forecasted, and I'm definitely going to analyze some other markets. You get it, such as cryptocurrency and all that. Maybe before I sleep tonight, I might analyze some cryptocurrency, but I strongly doubt it. So this is USD Swiss francs. I just want us to see some little things right now because Swiss francs too is dancing a little bit. So let's just see some things. Okay, USD Swiss francs. Okay, let me just do some little calculation and see what is about to happen. Though I've done some calculation before, you get it, but I just don't want to talk about it. Okay. Okay. Okay, I've done some little price action calculation here. Before I'm drawing all this, please notice that, please. So let's come here. It's a swing trade anyways. It's a swing trade. It's a swing trade. This is how I see it anyways. Okay, let's chart it like this. Swings from this very angle to this very angle. Sorry people, I'm just doing some little stuff that I've done here before. So please, sorry that it took time, So from my own statistical calculation. Oh shit. Let me just reduce many things, please. Let me reduce many things. Okay. This you have to go up. This you have to go up to. Okay, and this has to come somewhere here. Okay, now, okay, let's take a look at this. This is what I see that the market will do. And then please, people, just let me know what you think this market is going to do. This is what I believe the market is going to do, because right now USD is still trying to like drag with Swiss francs, but Swiss francs is trying to prove itself. You get it? So I believe this week Swiss francs is going to break out of this place. And should it break out of this place, it means the market will bounce in this very place. The market will come down to this very place. That means it means that the market is moving. And let me see, 91. It means the market is moving at the rate of, the market is going to count nothing less than 80 pips this week, from what I can see here. Nothing less than 80 pips. That is if it will move faster. But believe me when I say this is a downtrending market. Honestly, it's a downtrending market and it's going to come down. So should it get to this very point, if it didn't bounce at this very point, it means that Swiss francs is going down. But should it bounce, let me just come, please. Let me clone this one too. So at this very point, it's an X point. I'll call it an X point. An X point. So if it did not bounce at this X point, if it did not bounce at this X point, if it did not bounce at this X point, it means the market is coming down. You get it? But should it bounce at this X point, it means the market is going up earlier. You get it? But it ain't going to move far. It ain't going to move far. You get it? Because Swiss francs right now, it's really dominating the market. It's really, proving some things in the market. So people, please, I would really appreciate it if you could, drop your comment, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you see to this market. Let me know what you see in the market. Let me know what you believe that is going to happen, because left to me, I believe this market is a downtrending market. But should it hold up to this very end and it can't reverse, it means the market will bounce from this place and it's going up. So should it not? Because to me now, right now, I'm in the market. I'm in the sell point of the market. I'm in the bearish side of the market. And at the same time, I still set a buy stop, somewhere around here. You get it? Because the market is going to go up, but it's not going for long. You get it? USD stamina is not there for now. So this is what I see there. Not with all currency, please don't make a mistake. Not with all currency, but from what I can see now, USD stamina is not really there for Swiss franc. So people, I really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button. Let me know what you see to this market. Let me know what you think, and please trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all. See you in my next video. Have a good one.